People often ask me what the models created with the Matrix camera look like. Due to portrait rights, I can't show the face, so we'll just focus on some details. Many say I can just scan with my iPhone camera, but using that laser, it captures a photo in a few hundredths of a second. With the laser scanner, you'd have to move it around for a long time, and the resulting model often isn't usable. There are three files in total: a texture parameter file, a texture file, and the model itself. Take a look at the unedited base model. Check out these fine details. Once generated, the model only needs a bit of simple tweaking to be ready for use. Next time, I'll sneak into the studio to see their workflow. The process doesn't require importing into software. They generate directly using code. My Matrix camera is currently syncing with their sister. After capturing, the data imports directly into their system, and the model is ready in minutes. Imagine finding a college student treating them to a meal and milk tea. By graduation, they'd have experience with hundreds of modeling projects. With such skilled modelers, who else would they hire? The more I think about it, the more I feel this is meaningful work. Next time, I'll visit the printing factory and show you the printers worth hundreds of thousands.